Sanibonani izithandwa zami. Ngithi mina sengichazela abantu amaphupho ngo-10 rand. Ngiphinde ngichazele nentsha ngama-consequences omjolo. DM for prizes. Ngiyakutshela nje ukuthi umjolo unamphumela muni njengomuntu osebone luningi. DM for prizes. Uphinde usho nenkinga yakho. Ngiyabonga.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mkosasa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. I said news for Naledi Aphiwe announced to she broke up with Umawelele today on a live lapanago Instagram, and she seemed very sad. Bekuvusana buhlungu indlela lesimanga, so bekasho nje ukuthi she's not gonna cry. It hurts, but she's not gonna cry. So even now ufake ivideo lapha ku TikTok whereby she was saying ukuthi ugilwe mfana, and nje vele na she'll never fall in love again. And people are saying ukuthi you're still young, una 18. I think she's 18 if not 19, I'm not sure. So people are saying ukuthi girl usheshe wa give up, you're still young, wena kusafuna nje ungene emjolweni uphindze unyiswe. Ayikho nje le nto yakho ukuthi wena sowugilwe ngumawelele, wena sowuvele nje na ulahla lithawula, ulahla imbeleko, ubuyela. People are just saying ukuthi ubuyela. So when Umawelele and Naledi started dating, we thought ukuthi hayi nje na bacula together music video, kanti the two are actually dating kesana. So uyashukela ukuthi cha umgelile mfana umgelile. So found out later ukuthi hayi man, the two are actually dating. Sesibabona vele bahlala ba together, sabona ukuthi they are an item, they are a couple. So uyasho ukuthi their relationship sadly ended in tears. Ngase kudala uGosihlubi and uSima were also announcing their breakup. Short lessons in the guys. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. I'm signing out. Goodbye.